Hello everybody, and once again welcome back to Financeable YouTube channel. Today in this video I'm going to show you how you can log into BMO online banking, so make sure you follow my step till the end. First thing first, I assume that you have already opened any of the internet browser and now you need to search for the BMO bank login in Google. So once you do that, you will be able to see a link at top on the screen where you need to tap on that link, and now you will be redirected to the official page of the BMO online banking where you can see there is a sign in option at the top. So let's tap on that sign in option, and now you can see there is sign in just down below of this BMO digital banking. So let's tap on it again and you will be redirected to the official login page of the BMO online banking. Please give it a second. Now you can see it is asking us for our user ID and our password. So once you complete your credentials, simply tap on the sign in and you will be able to log in successfully. But by chance if you have forgotten your user ID, then just tap on the forgot user ID, which is at the right side. And if you have forgotten your password, then just tap on the forgot passwords on the screen. And just down below of this forget password you can see there is remember me. So once you toggle it, what it basically means that your credentials gonna be saved in this browser successfully. So basically this is how you can sign in or log into your BMO online banking. And if you still encounter any issue during this process, feel free to leave a comment and I'll be happy to assist you. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, and if you are new to this channel, make sure to hit the subscribe button and set the bell icon to on so that you can stay updated with our latest content. Thank you for watching and I'll see you next time.